All right, space enthusiasts, let's dive into the fascinating world of space-based weapons and how they safeguard our orbital assets. First, let's clarify what we mean by space-based weapons. These aren't your typical sci-fi laser guns or death rays. Instead, we're talking about technology designed to protect satellites from potential threats, both natural and man-made. Satellites are crucial for everything from GPS navigation to weather forecasting to global communications. But they're vulnerable. Space debris, solar radiation, and even intentional interference from other nations can pose serious risk. Enter space-based weapons. These tools can range from anti-satellite missiles to cyber defense systems. One of the most important types is kinetic kill vehicles. These are essentially high-speed projectiles that can take out a threatening satellite or piece of debris before it can do any damage. But it's not all about destruction. There are also non-destructive methods like jammers and lasers that can temporarily disable a threatening satellite without causing a massive debris field. This is crucial for keeping the space environment safe and sustainable. Speaking of sustainability, international laws and treaties play a big role in regulating space-based weapons. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, for instance, prohibits the placement of nuclear weapons in space and limits the use of the moon and other celestial bodies to peaceful purposes. However, as space becomes more congested and contested, nations are increasingly looking at ways to defend their orbital assets. This includes developing advanced technologies like directed energy weapons which use focused energy like lasers or microwaves to disable or destroy targets. Now you might be wondering, is this the start of a new arms race in space? Well, it's a bit more complicated than that. While there are certainly competitive elements, the overarching goal is to safeguard our critical infrastructure and ensure that space remains a viable domain for exploration and use. So next time you check your GPS or watch a weather forecast, remember the complex dance of defense mechanisms at play to keep those satellites operational. It's a high-stakes game of chess up there, with technology and strategy evolving at a rapid pace. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious about the cosmos.